Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey coming at you, Shamstoppers. And we want to talk about today. This video is going to be entitled "The Magic Words" or "No Thank You." Okay? No thank you. This brother right here came on my channel. You know what I'm saying? Talking this legal jargon bullshit. I'm speaking common sense to the common man. I asked him a simple question. He throws some statutes and codes on it. You know if it's hard, it's a fucking lie. Okay? And he's a fucking public servant. Alright? He's a fucking public servant. If you want to get fucked over, get him. Get him to fuck you over. Retain his fucking service. He gonna fuck you in your ass. This cunt, this little cunt right here. Play the video.
I've upgraded to a much larger home, taking down all the videos, laws changed, so they're no longer any good anymore. Trying to update them with these. I mean, we talked about driver's license and child support and how you can get your license suspended if you're behind in child support in Illinois. There's two ways this can happen as far as child support is concerned. One is you have an administrative child support order, you fell behind, and HFS through the public aid code can come in there and say, well, we're suspending your license. They send notice to your last known address. If you move around a lot, typically the way you're going to find out is one of two ways. One, either your insurance company sends you a letter saying, hey, we can't give you insurance because the state of Illinois says you've got your license suspended. And the other way, which is far worse, is that you get caught running a red light or you're speeding, you get pulled over, and next thing you know, you got cuffs on you because the cop says, hey, you're driving on a suspended license. So, with the administrative suspension order, though, if this is your first time falling behind and having your license suspended, you can have it restored fairly easily as long as you enter into a payment plan with HFS. But
enter into a payment plan, so they want you to be a hoe, a crackhead. Why I gotta do that? I can just pay it one time, motherfucker. See, that's that game shit, man.
Here's where, buried in the fine print, they can nail you, which is that if you miss a payment again, fall behind again, after they restored your license, they can suspend it again, and this time they're under no obligation to do anything for you until all of the arrears is paid up. With a judicial suspension, which is similar to an administrative suspension, but a judicial suspension means that somebody went before a judge, either had a declaration of paternity entered, or there was a divorce, or something that gave the court jurisdiction over the parties, the child, maybe allocation of parental responsibilities. Parent time was mixed in, who knows, but either way, the case is, or was, and still is in front of a judge somewhere in some county in Illinois. And under Section 505B of the Illinois Marriage and Dissolution of Marriage Act, which also applies to parentage cases, the court can, if somebody's 90 days or more in the hole for child support, suspend their driver's license. And what I mean is that it doesn't mean they missed the last 3 months. It just means the total arrears is equivalent to 90 days. And once you reach that, you've gone beyond that, the court does have the authority to do it. Now, there's a few advantages, though, you can do in a judicial suspension that you can't do in administrative suspension. Now, as is clearly outlined in the statute, if someone has judicial suspension, the court can still issue, upon motion, a financial hardship license. And what this will do is it directs the Secretary of State to issue a very special driver's license that allows that person to travel to and from their place of employment and to and from the grocery store to get groceries for your other necessity.
What the fuck is he talking about? Huh? All that bullshit. Look at this shit here. This is Roscoe Pound, alright? This is a Harvard lawyer, okay? Look, I'm gonna let you see it. This nigga used to be the dean at Harvard. I'm gonna show y'all something, okay? Let's get it in the right. We're gonna shut L stupid ass up on the screen. What did that say? Lawyers are public service. You see that? I'm gonna close this goddamn book. So how the motherfucking servant gonna tell the master what to do? Like I said, if y'all want some fucked up service, retain this motherfucking service right here. Get this sister service right here, alright? Get her service. That way hey, you'll be fucked over. And then you're gonna say, hey man, I thought you knew what you was talking about. Nah, cause he talking all this old Chinese arithmetic shit. Nigga, can you get off child support, yeah or nay? Well, if it's hard, you a motherfucking lie. Okay? Y'all know how to reach us. Get at us at Shamstoppers, Facebook, Wasilkamilbey at gmail.com, walkingempire@gmail.com. This ain't legal advice. This ain't a sovereign citizen movement. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how people don't read. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay? Let's go to the about. Let's go to the about. Okay? Don't you see what it said about, the description? You see that? What is it for? If any emotional or people with feelings come on this channel, your feelings and emotions will be hurt. This is not a sovereign citizen movement, terrorist group, conspiracy group. None of that. You see that? Peace.